Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're going to learn some great vocabulary, so let's get started. Today we're learning these two words, assemble and assembly. First, let's look at pronunciation. The first word is assemble. Assemble. It's 3 syllables. Assemble. The stress is on the second syllable. Assemble. And the second word is assembly. Assembly. Again, 3 syllables. Assembly. The stress is on the second syllable. Not assembly, but assembly. First, let's talk about assemble. Assemble is the verb. They assemble computers in China. Or I can use passive voice and say, computers are assembled in China. Let's practice. Where do they assemble computers? That's right, they assemble computers in China. Most computers. Let's practice. Are most computers assembled in China? That's right, most computers are assembled in China. Now let's talk about assembly. Assembly is a noun and an adjective. You might see on a box, it says, some assembly required. The complete idea is some assembly is required. But when they print it on the box, they make it shorter. They take out the is. So you see on the box, some assembly required. But the complete grammatically correct form is some assembly is required. Let's practice. Is some assembly required? That's right, some assembly is required. And we can use assembly as an adjective. Example, this is an assembly line. They assemble products on the assembly line. And the preposition is on. They're working on an assembly line. Use an for one, an assembly line. Let's practice. Are they working on an assembly line? That's right, they're working on an assembly line. So remember these 2 words, assemble and assembly. Different pronunciation and different uses, but the same idea. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.